Oh, no. Patented Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe.
For steamed hams.
Yes.
Yes, and you call them steamed hams despite the fact they are obviously grilled.
Steamed hams.
You got Starbound 2, Electric Boogaloo, and Knuckles. Please no. Ah! Fuck is this? He looks like a shirtless madman. That ain't Falco, you dipshit. Go cry in a corner, then die in a hole, you little idiot. This is a description for avians. They're fond of butt-fucking other races. I can be a fucking fridge. Gus the Fridge Person.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade.
By the way, that's the loading screen. Don't ask what's going on down there. Just accept it. Wake up. There's no Wi-Fi. Great, I'm a fucking fridge. Makes a fucking RPG sound when I pick something up. Oh yeah. Look at that strut. Light up on. The song plays all the way through. Yeah! 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 Vending machine fucked my pixels. Could this day get any more lewd? What the fuck? Hashtag ref. Why are there gongs everywhere? On my turds.
Hey! Hey! This is library.
What the fuck? My fellow protectors, today we come here to witness my death scene. The meme manipulator. Fuck. The fuck? Oh no! Oh shit! Here comes the... Took the meme manipulator. Everything. What the fuck is this? The dark void. He didn't have it coming to him. Now he's dead. Still a fucking fridge, but he's still dead. Gotta get those nice slaps in. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Good lord!
Access a weapon. Yeah, you're not gonna describe that he's a fucking Roblox superintendent. Take the ship and leave. Tentacle hentai has taken over the earth. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Alright. Alright, it's over. I like the song. Alright, thus begins the adventure of Gus the Fridge Person.
Steam from the Steam clans we're having. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
I'm not prepared for an unforgettable luncheon, actually. It's the sound. Jesus, fuck. Ah, fuck. No. It's raining poison on the first planet. Oh. Oh, no. No, no. Ang dami ko kasi. Bart Simpson chair? Fires wooden chair. Iron assault beam assault rifle. Chick bull. Chick orb. Summons infinite crabs. Is that a fucking log inside of a toilet? Oh no! My ship has crabs. This is great. Alright, I now have an owl in my cock. Delightfully devilish Seymour. I didn't even have to.
Good Lord!
Everything's still exploding outside. That song's still going. I can't attack. Why can I not attack? I'm attacking. It's not working. This is all I can do.
Good Lord!
A long way from Kansas, Georgia. A long ass way from Kansas. Oh, that was Dame Tu Casita. You see that? That was Dame Tu Casita. You Dame Tu Casita. You Toucan Sam. You bust. Fuck you, other Toucan Sam. And you, Sonic the Stegosaurus. What the fuck?
Good Lord!
A fucking robotic bats from goddamn Sonic over here. Eat. Is this what I was meant to be? No. No. This cannot be. You like jazz? Eat egg.
Good Lord!
That took a while. Omae wa mu shinderu. Oh, take egg. Taste egg. Get the fuck away from me. What is your hitbox? What is your hitbox? Jesus. Good Lord, what is your hitbox? I am unprepared for an unforgettable unluncheon. Buy it, damn it. I'm prepared. I'm prepared. I'm prepared. Beppis. Classic. Sip. Okay, why does this drink cost so much? Sip. Food poisoning. Great. And burning. Oh, hello, sir. Nice day we're having, huh? Having a good time there, buddy? Having all of your modules get removed?
You smell fear. You smell fear.
So when I take it out, some edgy dude says smell fear, and when I put it back, it's chucklefish laugh. Riders on the storm. I left some years ago and it's an impossible decision, but Sonic is fucking dead. Things long forgotten. Heavy on. Tell me the story while playing this music. Me or does the room look completely different in this cutscene? No, I'm not gonna say anything, but something just does not seem right with Ruin. The Wi-Fi is scattered across the stars. I can't find them alone. And this is the part where we leave this area. The sound like. Could you schlarbulous McSchwungaloon, or dumb breadstick, you ninny wankers on your fucking toothpaste brush, on your bloody wanking, on your fucking whack on your little bitch, you fucking. Gee, it sure is boring around here. And I'm going to hell. What song is that? No, not again. Get away from me. Joel? There you are! Sniper shots rifle. 222 damage. Everyone calm down! Everyone calm down! Calm down, everyone. It was a misfire, okay? It was a misfire. It was a misshot, alright? Alright? Calm down. Calm down. Just want my lunch. Oh. The fucking Ugandan knuckles. Kill the meme. Death. Meme. Oh, fuck. There he is. The King of Uganda. It's fucking, like, damn slurping noises. Still going. Hear that sound? That sound, yeah. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Gotta wait for me. We must get to the outer rim. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm stuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Get to the void! Some two-hand damage. What the fuck? Good lord! That's a lot of damage, but I sealed it with flex. Alright, guys. This is it. This is the end of Gus the Fridge Man's tale.
Good lord! Good lord! Good lord! Good lord! Good lord! Good lord!